Okay.
On February 21st, 2025, officers observed the defendant run a stop sign at Carmel Lane while turning into Leewood heading north in Harris County, Texas. A traffic stop was conducted. The officer requested identification and the defendant provided a TDCJ inmate card with the name Dang Nguyen. The officer ran that name and came back to have some multiple City of Houston warrants, so placed the defendant under arrest. At JPC, they fingerprinted him through APIS and found that his true identity was Nguyen, and that found this.
Okay. Mr. Nguyen, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Can you run his license, please? See if he has a license. You are not allowed to drive. You do not have a Texas driver license. Do you understand? Unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name, do not get into a car. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising that you're not going to drive, Mr. Nguyen. I don't care what's going on in your life. I don't care if you have to go save someone and get in a car. Do not drive. If I find that you do, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine, not to mention revoking your bond and putting you in jail. Do you understand? Sorry. If you want to drive, go get a license, get liability insurance, and then I will happily take this thing off. All I'm asking you to do is follow the law. Do not drive until you get those things and approval from us. That is the only condition that we are going to place on you today, Mr. Nguyen. You have a lawyer because you have a lawyer. I will waive your appearance, but it is your responsibility to stay in touch with Kimberly, and she will tell you and when you have to come back to court. If she tells me she cannot get a hold of you because you're playing games or you've taken off, I will issue a warrant. No more PR bonds. You understand?
Yes, sir.
I'll have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive,
He actually had a surety bond.
and then after that, we'll let you go.
Surety bond.
Okay, yeah, I mean, and so he also has something upstairs as well. So you want the same day?
I worked for you about that. I think that case will probably resolve this case, so.
But we got to put it in a day.
I'll do the same day, but I think we push off a little bit later.
It's okay, whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Nguyen, come on.
Good to see you.
You too? Wonderful. Always. Thanks. I would have more if I had more money too. I'm just, you too?